Hey everyone and welcome to CGFamily, and in this video, yes, we are going to make a Maya fast. And what do I mean by it? So I simply mean when we open our Maya or when we operate, sometimes we feel the Maya is sluggish, it lags, or the scene is too heavy for it to handle. So what we can do is we can change some settings or remove some things that are not harmful and you can turn them back on. But that does make your scene lighter and makes your Maya fast. And that's what we need. We gotta go fast. So let's just close the Maya and reopen it to see how much time it takes to fully load up. Alright, we close it. No, we don't want to save. And but it took time to close also. But one thing I would like to mention is I'm using my SSD. That's my M2 disk. And my Maya is installed in this SSD. So if you're working on HDD, your hard disk, the result may vary for you, but without a doubt it will make your Maya fast regardless. So let's open the Maya again. Alright, we have clicked on it and now let's see how much time it takes to fully load up. Okay, and we can see the Maya is still not operatable. It is still loading some things. I'll HIK just load it up. Can we work on it now? No, we cannot. Okay, it is lagging because it's still starting up. Alright, we got the Substance plugin, we got DAS. Alright, so we can operate the Maya now. It works fine. Now let's make our Maya fast. As I told you earlier, all we need to do is turn off the things that we do not want to use. And to do that, let's go to Windows, Settings and Preferences, Plugin Manager. Alright, so I've already messed up my plugin manager a lot. I've also included a lot of plugins that I work with. So things might differ a bit for you guys, but there's nothing harmful if anything turns off. For example, if you turn off something important, like let's say, where is it? There must be an OBJ. Yeah, OBJ export. For example, I need OBJ export, but if I somehow untick, and now if I go to export settings, I will not see the OBJ option here. But for some of you guys, you might not need OBJ. Some of you guys might not need extra shaders or some other things. For example, for those guys who are just going to be working in it for rendering purposes, they do not need OBJ export or some other gaming export or some other things. And for those who are not going to be working with dynamics, they can turn off the fur, they can turn off Bifrost, and that will in turn make your Maya fast. So let's do that. Alright, so I do not need the DAS to Maya for now. Now let's turn it off. ABC bullet. Now we do not need this. No, we are not going to use export, Alembic export, and we are not gonna import also. Anim import. Well, I might be using this, so I'll just keep it on. And similarly, just go through all these settings and turn off all the things that you do not want to use. Alright, so we have turned off everything and we are left with only the things that we like to use. Now let's close the Maya and restart it again, and let's see if it changed something. Okay, and we can already use it. So that made the startup fast, and now the Maya is also lighter, so you can easily use it to work on your heavy scenes without any interruption or feeling sluggish. This is it for this video, guys. Hit the like button if you liked the video. Comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe to our channel CGFamily for more videos, and I'll see you soon.